Most office workers do not need 100 AI tools. They need a simple way to remove the repetitive parts of the day. In this video, I will show you 7 office tasks AI can help automate without replacing your job. The point is not to hand your work to AI and stop thinking. The point is to use AI for drafts, summaries, structure, and organization, while you keep control over judgment, privacy, and final decisions. Before we start, one important rule. Do not paste private company data, customer information, passwords, contracts, medical details, or confidential documents into an AI tool unless your company has approved that tool. AI can save time, but it is not an excuse to ignore data security. Task 1 is meeting notes. Meetings create messy information. The useful parts are usually decisions, action items, and open questions. Instead of rewriting every note manually, give AI your rough notes and ask. Turn these notes into decisions made, action items with owners, and unresolved questions. Do not add anything that is not in the notes. That last sentence matters. It keeps AI from inventing decisions that never happened. You still review the result, but you start from a clean draft instead of a messy page. Task 2 is email drafting. Most office email follows patterns. Follow up, decline politely, ask for missing information, summarize a decision, or confirm next steps. AI is good at making the first draft. You are still responsible for tone, promises, and accuracy. Try. Draft a short professional reply. Keep it clear, polite, and direct. Do not make promises that are not in my notes. Then edit it so it sounds like you. Task 3 is document summarization. Long documents are often hard because they are badly organized, not because every sentence matters. AI can help you find the main point, key details, and decisions needed. A useful prompt is: summarize this for someone who only has 2 minutes. Give the main point, key details, and anything that needs a decision. For sensitive documents, do not paste the raw file into a public tool. Use an approved internal tool, summarize a safe excerpt, or write your own notes first. Task 4 is turning messy notes into checklists. This is one of the most useful small workflows. After a call, a planning session, or a research task, your notes may be useful but not actionable. Ask AI. Turn these notes into a checklist. Group related tasks, remove duplicates, and mark anything that needs clarification. AI organizes the mess. You decide what matters. Task 5 is spreadsheet help. You do not always need to paste spreadsheet data. Often, you can describe the structure. For example, I have columns for date, customer, product, revenue, and region. What formulas or pivot tables could help me understand monthly sales trends? AI can suggest formulas, explain errors, clean column names, and help design a better table. If someone sends you a complex formula, ask. Explain this formula step by step in plain English. Tell me what each part does and what could break. Task 6 is presentation outlines. A lot of people ask AI to make slides too early. That usually creates generic bullet points. A better prompt is: create a presentation outline. For each slide, give one key message, a suggested visual, and a short speaker note. Keep slide text minimal. This gives you structure first. Then you can build the deck with better judgment. The best presentations usually do not have more text. They have better decisions about what belongs on each slide. Task 7 is standard operating procedures. If you do a task more than twice, it may deserve a simple SOP. AI can turn rough notes into a repeatable process. Try. Turn these notes into a step-by-step SOP for a beginner. Include prerequisites, steps, quality checks, and common mistakes. This is useful for onboarding, delegation, and recurring work. But the SOP should still be tested by a real person. AI can draft the process. Reality checks the process. So here is the full list. Meeting notes. Email drafts. Document summaries. Checklists. Spreadsheet help. Presentation outlines. And SOPs. The pattern is simple. Use AI for drafts, summaries, structure, and organization. Use your judgment for accuracy, privacy, tone, and decisions. If you want to start today, do not try to automate everything. Pick one repeated task. Create one prompt. Use it for 1 week. Then improve it. That is how AI becomes useful at work. Not as a magic button, but as a small system that saves attention every day.